What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I know it's been a couple of days. I was in LA, went to a couple of Laker games. That video's coming soon. But today I want to talk about an Air Jordan 1 we are not talking about. Boom, the Air Jordan 1 Brotherhood. And I don't know why we not talking about this sneaker. My first assumption is that Jordan 1s are coming out rapidly. They've been coming out rapidly for the last 2.5 years, but this year alone, January, February, and March, we seen a lot of Jordan 1s that was like, no story behind it. Just a colorway that we seen before, mismatched. But this Jordan 1 Brotherhood here, this one is special. I think, matter of fact, I kind of know that the Jordan 1 Brotherhood is a nod to Kobe Bryant. If y'all watch the channel, y'all know I'm a big Laker fan. Kobe Bryant is like God to me. I told y'all I just was out in LA. Y'all see the nice yellow and purple, and the name of the sneaker is called Brotherhood. Everybody know Michael Jordan considers Kobe Bryant his little brother. I think they couldn't put Kobe behind it because, you know, his untimely death, the situation with Nike right now, we really don't know what's going on with that. And Jordan wouldn't just want to play on Kobe's name. But I'm telling y'all, 99%, this sneaker is a nod to Kobe Bryant. Hit the B-roll. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it comes in your regular OG box. I would have rather it be yellow and purple, but an OG box of Jordan 1s is an OG box. And the color tag reads University Gold, which is a Laker colorway. Light Bordeaux or University. But the University is spelled with an E at the end instead of the Y. I don't see the Bordeaux, guys, but that's what the JB is saying. Flip open the lid, and you got your Nike swoosh, your quality control stamp, and the word swoosh. And this is the left shoe, guys. We're going to start with the left shoe because that's the one with all the bells and whistles on it. So let's get a 360 of this sneaker. I'm kind of seeing the Bordeaux a little. I guess it depends on the lighting. Boom. Boom. This is a beautiful sneaker, man. So this sneaker is a mixture of leather and nubuck suede. The toe box here and that University Gold is leather. And you can see the tumbledness in it. Look at that tumbledness. All in it. Nice soft leather here. The out, it feels like leather. It looks like leather. But I'm feeling some softness here of a nubuck. But it is leather, guys. But it does have that nubuck look, as you can see. As we go up, that more texture of leather and nubuck, you can't really tell what it is. It's just like a soft, plush leather. Right here feels the hardest of the leather, but the toe box and up here as you get towards your ankle support is soft leather. The swoosh now is leather. But as you can see, it looks to be suede nubuck, but it's leather. The inside of the color blocking is white, and I want to see if the camera can pick up some of that tumbleness. After we leave the white color blocking and come more towards the back, you see the tumbleness in that yellow leather, guys? That's all the way from front, from top to bottom. The Air Jordan Wings logo is also in that light Bordeaux, I guess. Swing all the way around. Same as the inside. You see the tumbledness of the inside. A little wrinkle on the leather here for the shoestrings. Now it comes in the Bordeaux shoestrings and a nice tongue. The tongue even has the wrinkle tumbledness there. And I like this Nike Air tag here, as it's yellow with the Bordeaux in it, opposed to being Bordeaux with the yellow in it. I like that. It comes with two different shoestrings, yellow or white. I would approve of the yellow. I like the Bordeaux that it come with. The white I don't think we really need, but some people like white a lot. But the white on the white tongue just wouldn't do it for me. And your bottom is the regular Jordan 1 Dunk Uptown look in an all university gold. The tumbleness on the toe box is like perfecto to me. I love it because we all wear our Jordan 1s a lot to give it that character. This one comes with the character already, and I love that. This is the right shoe here. I have the shoe tree pushed all the way in so y'all can see more of the tumbleness of the toe box. Nice. Pull out the shoe tree. And the insole is that university gold with the purple Nike Air, excuse me, the Bordeaux Nike Air there. Yes, sir. So like I told you, I was in LA and I was able to secure these from the Nike store in the Grove. They had a full size run. That's why now when I don't win on Sneakers app, I don't get that mad. I don't really even try on other foot sites because the capture, this too much for me. But I was able to just walk in the Nike store and they had a full size run of these and also a full size run of a whole bunch of dunks in the PS and GS size. Before Jordan 1s, this was the only one available. Full size run, guys. Like, I went, I'm like, y'all got a 10.5? Like, yeah, we should. It was that easy, man. But I'm telling you guys, for $200 on StockX and GOAT right now, I say grab them. If you're a reseller, I really don't deal with resellers. But if you're a reseller, I would cop this at the $200 price tag and sit on them. I would sit on them. This sneaker is going to be a $350 sneaker come June, barring a restock. Some people know information we don't, so that's why sneakers are going for the low on StockX because they know when a restock is coming. I think a restock may be coming because of the full size run, but if you sit on this sneaker for 3 to 4 months, this sneaker will win you some money. Y'all know how bad I love Kobe, man, so far as me, reselling this sneaker is not going to happen. Anything in the yellow and purple colorway, I am keeping. Again, the sneaker's called Brotherhood. I think this is a nod to Kobe Bryant, man. They just couldn't put the hype around it because you know why, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. I got way more videos to get to. This was a full in-depth review on the Brotherhood. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? Where did you cop from? I'm telling you, $200 at StockX right now is a steal. Here in New York, Jordan 1s are $185 with the tax. $15 upgrade. I will buy it. No problem, man. Everybody, get rich.